Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a Ganesha, Lord Ganesha with simple basic shapes and lines. So get ready, take your pencil. I am taking my dark pencil 10B. Kids, those who are learning, please take it light HB pencil. Take your eraser, and when you are going to draw up, please do not give extra pressure. Now we are going to start one slipping line, one curve touching to first point to second point, just like a semicircle. Now same here, one more semicircle upside, one more semicircle upside. I am making a mugut of Sri Ganesha. Now one curve from the first semicircle to the first point which we draw on a slipping line. One curve touching towards there to there. Again same thing, one curve which is going down and touching towards a next point. Now from here, one curve line, two curve line, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is our mugut has been prepared. If you need some designs, you can put it designs inside. Now make it one straight line. Make it one straight line. Make it curve inside. Again make curve inside. One slanting line from the first point where we turn it. Little bit slanting line. Don't make it slant more. One more slanting line. But this slanting line little bit it will be going more far. Now I am going to turn little bit. So one curve. Here also one small curve. And then again curve which is touching to one point to another point. My trunk has been little bit fold. Now one curve for eyes, one curve, one more curve, one more curve, and one circle, and darken the circle please, so you will get it a lens form. Now one slanting line, one another slanting line, and one another slanting line. One tooth it has been breaked out, and one tooth which is pointed, so one slanting line and another slanting line. U shape are the center for making a tilak. One standing line in between like a trishul, one point at a downside, and one line which is going through the trunk and going turn. A face of Sri Ganesha is half prepared. Now one curve which is going out, same thing, one curve which is going out, and again one curve which is going to check, again one curve going towards check. Now this face has been done. Now we're going to stomach. Lord Ganesha is little bit fatty, so I'm going to make it circle. One circle, The drawing is mostly done with shapes and lines. My half circle done, which is starting from cheek to another cheek. Now I am going to make it hand. One slipping line, one slipping line, one curve line, one curve line, which is little bit far away from the shoulder. Again same thing, slipping line, curve line, curve line. One line which is touching towards body part, one line which is touching towards body line, and one straight line and one curve which is touching to again body line, again straight and touching towards body line. It should be equal. Now one curve first, that is a thumb. I am making a palm, and one long and one U shape, just like a U shape which is going down. Same thing here, one curve, again straight line, again curve and straight and come in. This is Ashirwad wala haath hai ye. This is two hands which is giving a blessing. Again from the downside of the hand, one curve touching towards center. Again same thing, one curve which is come inside and touch down. Two legs has been prepared. Now one more curve for a leg, one straight line, one curve, one straight line and wapas curve, and one circle for showing the ornaments. If you want to make it a garland, you can make it thick one and you can put it garland downside too. Now our Ganesha is half prepared. One curve for the Sihasan of the Ganesha, another curve which is going downwards, and one slipping line. Your Ganesha is ready. Kids, here is your Ganesha ready, and it's ready for doing the colors. Hope you enjoyed. My drawing is based on lines and shapes. I will be making one more drawing for you for line which is dependent on lines and shapes.